What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. So welcome back to our channel, Ariel Taylor. She was with us with the Carrot Dog taste test review. We had a nice review. People requested to see her again, so she's back here today, you guys. And we are going. So today we have a food review. We have Flock chicken chips. Finally came in. Want to go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys. It is the Flock's chicken chips. Okay, they've been going on the net. They've been a hit. So want to go ahead and see what they're about. Now, these are $3 a bag for 8 bags in the box. So that's $24 for 8 bags of chips. So I want to see how do they taste and is the price worth it. So let's check them out. Good. Sorry. Alright. And these are the bags right here. So it lets you know on the back of the bag that it's chicken skin mixed with culinary seasonings and flock of goodness. They have the Flock story. We love chickens and we're pretty sure you do too. Sorry, vegans. That's what they say. However, enjoying one of our favorite food mess-free and on the go much tougher than it should be, we're here to change that. Our premium and flavorful chips pack a delicious crunch that serve a great on the go snack that can be eaten straight from the bag as a solid topping or even on an addition to a charcuterie plate. Okay.
Now what is that exactly?
A charcuterie plate is like a big plate that you put a whole bunch of food on. People come through and they can put like cheese, chips, grapes, meats, put them all on a big platter, what you call it, and they call that a charcuterie plate. There you have it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try us some Flock chicken chips.
So I look at a lot of food on my phone and Facebook targeted me. One of this company's Facebook ads targeted me. Yeah, Flock. And I saw a guy eating the chips and the way he was eating them, you know, it was just kind of a joke at first, you know, like, hey, let's see, you want to see what these taste like? And then he was all like, yeah, let's see what they taste like. So
yeah, I was excited when I seen it. They said it was real chicken, so I was wondering how they did it. And I know it's not, I know some way, I know it's not meat. They show what it looks like on here, so I want to see what it looks like. But before we actually get to the taste test, quick fact: what are Flock chicken chips made of? The original Flock flavored chicken chips are made with simple ingredients: 100% real premium chicken skin and salt, with a crispy and crunchy texture of potato chips without the carbs and the protein of jerky. This is an ultimate guilt-free, keto-friendly, low-carb, and high-protein snack. Emphasis on the low-carb and keto-friendly. Pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open these and see what they are tasting like.
expecting to open it like
Okay. They smell like fried chicken. So it smells like fried chicken.
I mean, at first glance, it's a little off-putting.
This is what it looks like. Hopefully it views on there.
Yeah.
Alright. Flock. Alright, so they resemble a pork rind, but chicken. Chicken skin with some culinary seasoning, and they come out with this. So
they even smell like it a little. Like, not like pork, but they have that, like you open a pork rind bag and that's just any type of chip, how it smells. Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what it's tasting like. I mean, it tastes like fried chicken skin. Pretty cool. I mean, let me try something real quick. So we have some chicken. I figure I'll bring some hot sauce to the table here. Let me grab it. Here you go.
I'll try. Look, my perfect drop. That hot sauce is hot.
Yeah, I like it. You'd be surprised which hot sauce this is. I'm not gonna tell you.
Ouch. Where my tongue?
If you have an idea, let me know in the comment section below. I'll tell you which one of my favorite hot sauces is, okay? So
Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna lie. That greasy taste, I think that they need to let them air out first. Like before, I think they just cook them and then throw them straight in the bag. That's what it tastes like.
yeah,
It's a little off-putting.
just eating it like this. I love chicken. To be honest with you, they're pretty cool. I mean, for the price, I want to get with that. Well, let's talk about the taste first. It tastes like regular fried chicken skin that's been overnight, but left out overnight. But you can eat it. You know, grease is a good preservative. You get that greasy taste, that oily taste, a little.
They weren't seasoned.
I wouldn't go head over heels. Now for the price, I will say this. Now let me say this. This is 180 calories, 0 grams of carbs, 0 grams of sugar, 13 grams of protein. That's an A+ across the board. With this being able to be a keto friendly, I think that that's pretty cool. Now, for the price, understanding the price, knowing that it costs more to eat healthy, is it worth it for a person that's on a keto diet and that want the satisfaction of fried chicken? Most definitely, the price is worth it. I will say this: for 8 bags for $24, I'm not sharing it with nobody. So this would be something that I keep for myself. But you know, for a keto diet, most definitely.
For me, they needed to add a little bit more seasoning because the taste is a little off-putting. I was expecting what the ad showed when they were biting it. It looked appetizing.
I mean,
it's okay. It's not
it's like that overly greased, you know.
My fingers.
But it's good. That's just me. I'm not telling you not to try it out. Just no, man. I mean,
even if you look in the bag, you can see inside of the bag. It's really greasy.
yeah. And just if you can look inside of the bag, though, it's not a lot. And if you guys can count how many times I can put my hand in a bag,
yeah, you're down the crumbs.
$3 for a bag. I think they can help the price out just a little bit more.
Yeah.
For what's in there, and I just put my hand in the bag, maybe 5 times. A bag of these, a bag of Lay's, I'm taking out a nice pinch of chips. So, but like I said, for a keto diet, for a person who wants that chicken flavor, yeah, this is a deal, even for $3. However, the people who make flock, hey, you can come on that price a little bit. However, you know, they do taste good. I do agree. They say they seasoned it with culinary seasoning. I seasoned chicken. It just seemed like they cleaned the chicken very well and they put it in grease. That's what it tastes like. It doesn't taste, I think that's what it is, but it is original, and most original means plain. What is that?
Ingredients: chicken skins, salt, and soybean oil. You know what I want to say, right?
Well,
you know what I want to say.
Okay. So, bringing that to the table, I should have read the ingredients more. I just went with, see what happens when you take their word for it. Now, I'm not saying anything wrong, but now if you tell me culinary seasoning, I'm thinking some herbs that you'd mix together. I'm just being honest. I'm thinking of, you know, different herbs that you would use to put in there. When you read the ingredients: chicken, skin, salt, and soybean oil.
Heavy on the soybean oil.
Heavy on the soybean oil. However, the salt is, it's part of culinary, it is a seasoning itself. But to call it a culinary seasoning, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. When you think of culinary ingredients, you would think something tastes a little bit different. I think that's what threw me off. I'm thinking for a different taste. But now that I read the actual ingredients and I see salt, okay, then it makes a little bit more sense. You're just enhancing the flavor of the chicken. You're not giving it a different flavor, but however, it is original. So, my outlook on flock chicken chips altogether, I say it's an A+ for what it is. I think they could do a little better on the price for what they give you, but I don't know. So, what about you?
For $3, I'm not, you know, even as a health food, as a person who likes healthy foods, and, you know, will spend money on different brands, you know, even if they are a little, I just don't feel like I got $3 worth of chip or satisfaction as I'm eating, you know, said chips for $3, and the only option is to get the 8-pack for $3.
Yeah, the 8-pack, $24 for 8 packs. Again, $24 for 8-pack for 8 bag chips. I'm not sharing this with no one, and that's the lowest amount you can buy them starting off at. So I think these are pretty cool though. Just say what it is. It's chicken skin, salt, and soybean oil. That's it. When I hear culinary seasoning, I'm thinking of something more than that. So I'm glad I did it on camera. This is all real. It's raw. Now I'm looking at the ingredients, not the ingredients they tell me, the actual ingredients: chicken skin, salt. Now I know, you know, if I'm going into it originally, I would have thought better. So, but it's original. No flavor at all. Okay. So there you have it. Hopefully we gave you a good outlook on it. I would most definitely, I won't buy another box again for myself. I won't. But however, I will finish this box. Maybe I might have a different outlook when I eat it with a sandwich or a cold cut, nice sub. So
I just think that this is probably one of those things that you have to eat a few times in order to be like, okay, you know, it kind of grows on you. Maybe that's why you ate, you know, maybe that's why you ate bags to get you to love it. But as far as like off first glance, pull off shelf, open bag and eat, would this be something I will grab again? No. You know, but after a few times of eating, I would probably.
So there you have it. As you guys, you have it. That's my outlook on it. That's Ariel Taylor's outlook on it. I'm gonna leave her channel below. You guys are gonna see it right there below her. So there you have it. Flock chicken chips. Okay. So thanks again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.
I love when you do that.